So I want to welcome you to our newest listing located at 285 Mulholland. Now built in 1997, this property is located less than half a mile from Main Street in downtown Ann Arbor. Now it features 1,533 square feet. It's got 2 bedrooms, it's got 2.5 baths, a wood-burning fireplace, and a beautiful large deck to enjoy. What I personally love about this unit is one of only 4 units which is set in the Old West Side, and it's set in this park-like setting which creates a lot of privacy. So let's come on in and let's take a look. So the living room is just a real cozy little space. You've got a wood-burning fireplace and you've got a sliding door leading out to the deck. So upstairs we have 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. I'm right now in the primary bedroom, and you'll notice that there are cathedral ceilings, and then the primary bathroom has a jacuzzi tub as well as skylights to bring in a lot of light. So I'm going to finish out this video on this beautiful deck. If you're interested in a private showing of this property, feel free to give me a call at my office at 734-761-3060. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can stay on top of our latest listings as they come to the market.